Want to use Tabby like a Visa card? Anywhere online or in store with zero hassle? I will show you how to activate Tabby Plus in 60 seconds and explain every benefit so you can start shopping smarter today. Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a quick practical guide. It really helps our channel grow. Open the Tabby app. Tap Profile at the bottom right. At the top, you will see Get Tabby Plus. Tap it. Click here to confirm. You will see a confirmation message once Tabby Plus is active. Now, why you should activate Tabby Plus? Use Tabby like a Visa card. Shop anywhere, even places that don't explicitly list Tabby accepted. Split any payment into 4 interest-free installments, big or small. Priority customer support. Faster help when you need it. More features shown on screen. Cost, your first month is free. After that, the subscription is 49 AED per month. If you have any questions or need help, please comment below. I will definitely reply. Best of luck.